Hi, this is Adrian Niculescu, and today I would like to talk about how to install the entrepreneurship mindset in your company. I'm pitched very often, especially in the last year, about presenting trainings about entrepreneurial mindset in companies. So initially I said, okay, but those entrepreneurs, they want to teach their employees how to have an entrepreneurial mindset. In theory would be a nonsense, but in practice, as I said before, the the work market has changed. It's very different. It really doesn't matter so much if you are an employee or an entrepreneur. What matters is the level at you are doing things. And the biggest shift in thinking when we are talking about entrepreneurial mindset is that when you have an entrepreneurial mindset, you make things happen. When you have an employee mindset, you wait for other people to tell you what to do. You wait for the boss to check the quality of your work instead of you doing the best to provide the best work, right? And here is the problem. So, an entrepreneurial mindset